Hello kids, let's learn about keyboard shortcuts. Let's start. Ctrl plus A, select all. This function will select all the images and text on the page. Ctrl X, cut. Select the text to cut and then click Ctrl C to remove. Ctrl plus C, copy. Select the text to copy and then click Ctrl C to duplicate. Ctrl plus V, paste. Select the text to copy and then click Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl plus S, save. Click Ctrl S throughout the composition to ensure the work is saved. Ctrl plus Z, undo. Click Ctrl Z to undo the latest action. Ctrl plus F, find. Click Ctrl F and search for the word in the pop-up box. Ctrl plus P, print. Click Ctrl P to print the document. Ctrl plus Y, redo. Click Ctrl Y to redo the previous action. Ctrl plus B, bold. Select the text and click Ctrl B to thicken it. Ctrl plus 0, view 100%. To zoom into 100%, click Ctrl 0. Ctrl plus, zoom in. Zoom into the document by clicking Ctrl plus. Ctrl minus, zoom out. Zoom out of the document by clicking Ctrl minus. Window key plus left arrow, window left. Use this function to split the screen and send a window left. Window key plus right arrow, window right. Use this function to split the screen and send a window right. Ctrl plus T, new tab. Open a new tab in the browser but clicking Ctrl T. Ctrl plus I, italics. Italics text by selecting the desired text and clicking Ctrl I. Ctrl plus J, downloads. Open the downloads drop down menu by clicking Ctrl J. Ctrl plus O, open. Open a new document by clicking Ctrl O. Ctrl plus W, close. Close the document window or browser by clicking Ctrl W. F11, full screen. Open in full screen by clicking F11. Window key plus M, minimize. Minimize the folder or browser by clicking Ctrl M. Ctrl plus N, new. Open a new browser or folder by clicking Ctrl N. Ctrl plus H, history. Open search history by clicking Ctrl H. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.